let's embark on a desert adventure. I'm Explorer Mew Mew. Come with me and seek treasure chests in the desert. Follow the treasure map, and you'll find the treasure chest. Wow, look! There's a pangolin. Pangolin. The pangolin is digging into the mound to eat the termites. I love to eat termites. Can you help me catch them? Awesome! You've helped Brother Pangolin. Let's keep exploring. Look, there are some ostriches. Ostrich. Daddy Ostrich is hatching eggs.
The wolves are here to steal the eggs. Let's drive them away.
Those nasty wolves have been driven away. Great job. Let's keep going. Look, there's a camel. Camel. Mr. Camel is carrying goods.
Where are my goods?
the goods have been carried away. Thank you. The treasure chest is just ahead. Look, there are some meerkats. Meerkat. What does the baby meerkat want to do? I'm so sleepy. Can you help me get back to my burrow? My burrow is green. My burrow is red. My burrow is blue. You've helped all the baby meerkats get back in their burrows. Great job. Wow, so many stickers. Look, it's a new treasure map.
Four superheroes live in the BabyBus village. They are Kiki, Mew Mew, Hank, Momo. One day, the evil kings suddenly appear and intend to destroy the BabyBus village. The brave superheroes use their superpowers to fight against the evil kings and to keep the peace of the BabyBus village. Hi, I am superhero Kiki. I am always ready to defeat the evil kings. Beep beep.
Superhero, the specters locked me up in the sky castle. Save me, please.
BabyBus, superhero Kiki is departing. Swipe up when you meet an obstacle to help your superhero jump over it. Attention! Attention! You have entered the realm of evil kings. Prepare for battle. BabyBus, flying energy, soaring into the sky!
Hi-ya-ya, fireball boom!
The red zone is where the evil king attacks. Swipe to dodge. BabyBus, element attack.
Hi-ya-ya, laser attack.
BabyBus, element attack.
Hi-ya-ya, invisibility. Can you see me now?
BabyBus, element attack. I am superhero Kiki and I am invincible. BabyBus, element attack.
I wish to be one of you to defeat the evil kings together.
Welcome to the BabyBus Alliance!
I am Superhero Mew Mew. I'm able to conjure a shield by using my mind.
Save me, please. There's a horrible octopus here in the underwater town. Choose a superhero to be your squad captain.
I am Superhero Mew Mew. I'm able to conjure a shield by using my mind.
BabyBus Superhero Squad is departing. Attention! Attention! You have entered the realm of evil kings. Prepare for battle.
BabyBus, flying energy, soaring into the sky! Hi-ya-ya! Shall attack!
The red zone is where the evil king attacks. Swipe to dodge.
Hi-ya-ya! Tentacle lash! BabyBus, mind force attack! Hi-ya-ya! Bubble burst!
Oh no! Your superhero has been hit by the evil king. Go and collect more flying energy to continue battling.
Hi-ya-ya! Bubble burst! Hi-ya-ya! Tentacle lash! BabyBus, mind force attack! Now you've tasted my power!
BabyBus, element
BabyBus,
attack.
mind